All right, here, people. We're rolling on part two as I stop the video footage from rolling. So we have a 72 heavy Chevy. Oof. Look at that. Oof. Goodness. Nice old Chev right here. Corvette on Corvette on Corvette. Tri-5 Chev. 38 Chev sedan, old pickup truck, Chev pickup truck. I just filmed this Beetle before. These people just showed up with their nice Tri-5 Chev. Couple of Cutlasses together. Very beautiful. They look to be matching. A Rocket 88. Very beautiful. As we come over here, we have a old Dodge pickup. I don't know what this Lincoln is doing here, but a Lincoln. I believe this is a 72? 69. 69 Chev truck. Gorgeous old Corvette. Not really sure what year this is. There's a piece of paper there, but it's blown over, so I'm not going to touch it. I filmed this last week. This looks like a good time. Another 32.3 window. Nice Tri-5 Chev. I believe I filmed that last week. Got a GTO. This I actually filmed. I did an extensive walk around of this. This looks like to be a really good time. Nice old Mustang here. An old Dodge. They're calling this a Cobra Torino wagon. Didn't know they made those. Old Jaguar here. Beautiful Cutlass. Here, hold on. I'm going to take a walk somewhere else. Alright. And we have new Corvette. C5 Corvette. This car here, I filmed this before in the past. It's an old Volvo P1800. Nice tri-power on this GTO. Dodge Charger. Looks like it's got the Dukes of Hazzard horns. How about that? That's pretty neat. It's a pretty neat little hood ornament thing. Gorgeous 2015 Stingray Vet. Old Dodge Charger. Oh. Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. Corvette. 3600 Chev Rat Rod, they're calling it. As you can see, there's a book on things that they have done to it. There we go. Plenty of things. Gorgeous Tri-5 Chev. Once again, what's that saying? Chrome will get you home? Definitely. Nice Mach 1 Mustang. Convertible Cutlass. Couple convertible Cutlasses. Nice. Here's a 2.3 Ecotech Mustang. There you go. You can see if you want to stop that. There you go. It's claiming 310 horsepower, which that goes pretty good. Got an old little Austin Healey 3000 right here. Neat little Ripper. Bet you this thing is fun to drive. Gorgeous wire wheels. Over here we got a TR6. Got an old school Vet here, 61. I love the dually headlights in the front. An old Ford Cougar, Impala, 55 Lincoln. Not really sure what year this is. What are they calling it? A 39? 33 Ford. I spotted this when I came in. This is kind of unique over here. It's a VW Bug, but like no VW Bug you've ever seen. It's got the little Baja front, but whoever made this a center seat, it's pretty gnarly. Pretty amazing, I'd say. Just very different. One in the front, one on each side in the back. Get to bring a couple friends with you. So over here, I've seen these cars quite a bit. These two right here, they go to quite a few car shows together. Nice Slam Lincoln. This one is, if I do believe, it should have the club on the steering wheel. If not the club on the steering wheel, yep. It's got the club on the seat. But this green is ridiculous. Very nice. Dually antennas on the back. How about those fins? Those fins are amazing. Nice old sedan here. Very beautiful. How about that hood ornament? Nice GTO. I did a walk around of this one. If you look back on my channel, you'll see it. A beautiful SS396 Chevelle. An old 225 Electra. Wow. Look at the size of this yacht. Right here we have a Plymouth Belvedere. An old Valiant. Very different. You don't see these at all. A really nice 58 Olds. 100% drive this. Gorgeous interior. Very beautiful. Got a nice Chev truck over here. Looks like it's ready to party. Once you look underneath the hood, you'll see why. Got that nice little Chevrolet right there, embroidered on the firewall.
Why would you want to take your car straight out if it doesn't have paint?
Really nice interior. You can see it's meant to party. A lifted, I think this is a 78 they were calling it. Chev step side. Watch this gentleman pull up. I waited for them to get done putting out all their stuff, but very gorgeous Ford. Not sure what year, but the burgundy is ridiculous. Oh, 32 Phantom. Whoa, Jesus. Something serious over there just fired off. Got this truck here for sale. Wow. Very nice wagon, super sport wagon. Woo-wee. That sounds ridiculous over there. Guessing it's the Belvedere. It is the Belvedere making noise. Check out the fins on this thing. Wow. Check out the fins on this. Jesus. I'm sure he's going to handle that if he leaves. The thing is pretty ridiculous too right there. An old Valiant. When's the last time you've seen an old Valiant? So anyway, I know you people are trying to figure out what this is. This is actually an old Corvair, which is pretty ridiculous. Fully customized. Big time. Like no Corvair you've ever seen. That's for sure. Another little dog spot. Ooh-wee. Here this 39 Chev stake bed truck is for sale. If you're interested, there you go. There's some information about it. Here you go, easily more. If you want to stop and pause that, you can, feel free. So I think that's pretty much it, people. So this is part 2. We got an old 56 Dodge over there. Massive burnout. There you are. That's a way to ruin a car show. It's a very good way to ruin a car show, but cool. Super loud though. And to finish it off, we have a 72 Chev truck. Alright people, please like my video, subscribe to my channel. See ya.